Hi guys, and welcome back to another video. Today I will be doing a quick kitchen cleanup. Started in the afternoon. I didn't get done until nighttime. But if you are a returning subscriber, welcome. If you are a new subscriber seeing my video for the first time, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. If you like cleaning videos, cleaning motivation, no ASMR type videos, you have come to the right place. I typically upload a video. I try to at least once a week. But we will be getting into quite a few things. The kitchen is a little messy right now, but we'll be just cleaning up initially, and then we're going to be having a deep clean video later on. Enjoy the video. Hopefully you get up and clean with me, or just relax and watch. Have a good day. So here I'm just getting the sink prepared. My husband had did some dishes the day before, and he has his own style of doing dishes, which is leaving behind the sink, the water he uses to rinse, and any other dishes he didn't get to, which I hate. So I just cleaned down the sink there, and I am going to fill up the other side to rinse in. I normally don't like to fill up to rinse all the way. I just put a little water in the sink just to get off any extra soap, and then I open the faucet to rinse fully. Trying to conserve on water, sure. But I just feel like it's more sanitary that way, and I don't feel like the water is all sudsy and you're putting suds, back onto what you've just washed. So I like to rinse it off. Just keep a little bit of water in the sink to help with the extra soap because I am heavy on product. Yeah, I like to use a lot of soap, some bleach, just to make sure that everything is nice and clean. So I'm wrapping up here with washing the dishes. I was really at work. This was during my lunchtime as usual, getting that done. So if you see me looking over my shoulder, I was just checking the time. So I'm just wrapping up here, and then I will pick up again with whatever's left after I get done with work later in the evening. So now it's after work, and my husband is home with the baby and our stuff from lunch. So again, I still have more dishes to wash. It seems like the dishes are never ending. Comment below if you find that you always have dishes to do. Turn around and it's like they just grow. So here I am just washing up lunch containers for my daughter, my husband, and just coffee cups and stuff like that, just to get the kitchen cleaned up and do away with all the dishes. So my favorite go-to cleaning spray sometimes is, especially for degreasing and the countertops, is the Dawn dish spray. A little goes a long way. Unfortunately, I find that when you hit that pump, it gets out a lot at a time, but somehow it's still a lot left in the bottle. I don't know how to explain that, but it seems like a lot is coming out, but it's very potent, very powerful. It gets the job done, especially with degreasing. So I've been using it since recently just to clean pretty much everything in the kitchen, like the stovetop, the microwave, the countertops, the sink. I normally use a combination of lots of things, mean green, sometimes Ajax, bleach, whatever gets the job done. But I find that the Dawn dish spray is very good at degreasing. It smells good. It gives the kitchen a nice smell, a nice light smell. I don't remember what flavor or scent, I'm sorry, this one is. But it does work great if you want to clean your kitchen with it, as well as do your dishes. thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, like, share the video. I'll see you in the next one. Have a good week.